piny owacho onyiso luoro ewi medruok ma nyithindo ma irocho ratichgi e gwenge mopogore opogore e pachoka, ka giwacho ni lipode moko ok chopie it piny owacho, kendo gidwaro ni jogo marocho ratiro mondo okawnegi okang' mager. Jagoro maduong' e bad migawo mar piny owacho marango ratiro mag nyithindo Karen Ageng'o koni e higa mar 2019 achiel kuom nyithindo ariyo noseroch ratichgi e yo achiel kata moro. Karen mane wuoyo Garissa okoni nyaka sani gisebedo kod paro manyien ma chako kawo lipode mag nyithindo mirocho ratichgi e pachoka mangima.
So these cases are often hidden, especially within the community. You find something has happened, but there's protection around the vice. So we need to also come out and support the girls that are going through this so that this is known and the perpetrators are reported and action taken.
Decade as a network, we have supported in terms of developing the policy landscape and shaping it. We've also been involved in knowledge sharing, in grassroots engagement. These are more focused right now on community-driven systems change. Community-driven systems change, that we're actually working closer with the community, closer with the communities to ensure that the families are impacted.
We as governors, we are representing the Council of Governors for that matter, representing FCDC, which as you heard, I was the founding chairman, and currently the vice chairman. We will take up the deliberations and recommendations from this conference, and I promise you we'll take them forward very strongly.